Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to connect Airtable to Softr. First, log into your Softr account and create a brand new application. When prompted, choose Airtable as your primary data source. Next, you'll need to generate an API key from your Airtable account settings. This key ensures a secure connection. Finally, locate and copy your specific Airtable base ID, which is crucial for linking your data. Now, let's establish the connection. Paste the Airtable API key you just copied into the corresponding field within Softr. Then, enter your Airtable base ID into its designated input area. Once both are correctly entered, click the Connect button. Softr will then attempt to link with your Airtable base. A successful connection will be indicated by a clear status message, confirming your data source is ready. With the connection active, it's time to configure your data and blocks. Choose which specific tables from your Airtable base you want to display in your Softr application. Next, drag and drop various Softr blocks, like lists or forms, onto your page. You'll then map the relevant Airtable fields to the elements within these Softr blocks. Finally, customize the appearance and functionality of each block to match your application's design and user experience. The final steps involve publishing and testing your new application. First, use the preview feature in Softr to ensure all your Airtable data is displaying correctly. Once satisfied, publish your application to make it accessible to your users. Thoroughly test all functionalities, such as forms and filters, using real data. This ensures a smooth user experience. Now, you can confidently share your powerful new Softr application.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.